Hi, my name is Seema Bhavnani. We got the reference of ProCare from Seven Hills Hospital. My mother-in-law had a major lung failure. Both her lungs had failed. Twice her heartbeat had stopped, and both the times the doctors had tried their best, but finally the doctors told us that, and she was picking up infections even though she got better. She started picking up infections from the ICU. She was in the ICU for 38 days. And finally the doctors told us that it's time that you take her home. We've tried our best. And they only suggested ProCare to us. That's when Shrikant and Rizwan both had come in Seven Hills Hospital to meet us. They also came home to see our house, to explain to us as to how and what changes we would require and what type of equipment we would require for my mom. And they took care of the entire settings. They explained to us as to where would they like various things like the oxygen cylinder and the bed and the other pumps to be there, the other small machines that had to be there. And fine, we were very happy with everything available under one roof. What was even more comfortable and nice to us, and it really eased us, was that the nursing staff, it came from them. There was no question of not a nurse being there. If anybody had a problem or they took a holiday, it was absolutely their call to make sure that we had someone back in. So I don't remember a single day of having their service and not having a nurse at home. We had two different nurses, one for morning 12 shift and one for the evening 12 shift, night 12 shift. We needed a physiotherapist, which came right through them. We were even thinking of palliative care, which again came through them. Though they did not have a palliative doctor on their roll, but still they did the survey and the research for us and arranged for one. And thank God we didn't use their services. My mother-in-law is perfectly okay now. We had taken x-rays. I don't think there was anything that we needed, and we did not have ProCare standing right beside us, so strong. They helped us in everything that they could, and whatever they could not, they worked on it and helped us. When we needed it was a one door solution for us, one place where we just have to call and our problems are sorted. He even made the effort of having a WhatsApp group between both of them and my husband and me, so we are all on the same page at all times. And luckily, by the grace of God, the time passed. My mother-in-law is perfectly fine. She's trying to walk. She's absolutely good now, and it's all thanks to the entire staff of ProCare. They provided me with such amazing sisters. Sister Snehal was so good. She brought my mom back to life. And even Sister Rekha, she did whatever she could to make my mom feel comfortable. I and my husband, my whole family will forever be grateful to ProCare for helping us see my mom back, hale, hearty, smiling. Today she's just trying to walk, otherwise she's perfectly alright. God bless you, people of ProCare. God bless you, Shrikant. God bless you, Rizwan. And I really hope that you help more people and reach out to them, and they see their loved ones coming back stronger and fitter. God bless you.